So we start off today's video with this hair color transformation. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Love the fun money piece highlights. What a great way to wear some bold color in your hair. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we'll be taking a look at a variety of hairstyles and hair transformations. Looks like someone decided to do the big chop, getting a nice pixie style. Beautiful short and sweet pixie cuts. Very nice. And then we have someone here with a bob. Looks like she has some pastel hair color going. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the hottest and the latest hair trends. So the stylist puts in an undercut. Cuts the hair shorter. I really love her hair color. It looks like a work of art. So beautiful. And the stylist does a nice mini bob haircut with bottleneck style bangs going in the front. Such a stunning hairstyle. So then we move on to the styling of this bob. Now I love her hair color. She's got a nice split dye mix going in front of blonde and pink, and then more of that black color going in the back. Such a gorgeous contrast. So she's showing us several different ways that you can style short hair. I feel like she can wear her hair any way she wants and it'll look great simply because of the color. So speaking of color, we have another color transformation here. Wow, look at this copper and blonde mixture. This is breathtaking. Amazing. And then with the bangs and everything, the layers, she looks absolutely stunning. So here we have a haircut transformation. So I love this deep story about her cutting her hair because it's so true. You get so deeply connected to your hair, especially the longer it gets. And kudos to the stylist for being, such a good listener. It's because it's almost like therapy, really. Wow, beautiful bob with an undercut. Oh wow, what an amazing transformation, and I love the explanation behind it. So then we move on to someone who has curly hair. Now her hair definitely looks like it is in need of a good deep condition. The stylist put some color in. Scrunches up her curly hair to help define it. This is like the perfect summertime hairstyle. Just a wash and go with a beautiful color added. So then we move on to someone who has long hair. Looks like she's getting a color done here. So the stylist adds in some black. I think she's doing more of like the undercolor trend for this one. Oh, she's adding some color to the bangs. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Wow. Absolutely stunning transformation. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.